So I don't need to say anything to you, because you already know these types of videos are going viral on the internet on different platforms. So if you want to know how you can create these satisfying AI videos using free tools, then this video is for you. Now, without wasting our time, let's see how we can create satisfying AI viral videos. Okay, so first you have to copy this prompt from this website. You can find the link in the description box of this video. After that, come to ChatGPT and paste your prompt here. Now it will start generating different types of products or things from which you can create your videos. If you don't like any of these, you can ask it to give you more. So it will give you more ideas. Now, let's say I am selecting number 19. After that, it will first generate an image prompt. Then below this, you will find the video prompt. So first we have to generate our image. From here, you have to copy your image prompt. Come to Grok, go to Imagine, and paste your prompt here. After that, it will generate different types of images. Now you have to select which image you like. Let's say I am selecting this one. Now download this image. After downloading, again come to Imagine and upload your image here. Now come to ChatGPT, copy your video prompt, and paste it here. Select video duration and generate your video. Now here you can see your full video has been generated. So this is how you can generate these types of AI videos for free. Now you just have to download it from here. And if you are interested in more videos like this, you can watch this playlist from here. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.